Hello, Jose here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix some issues with the eBay app on the iOS. First, what you want to do is go up to the App Store, go to the search bar, go here, eBay. Click it, find your eBay, and if you got here when I have the open bar, if you have the update, you need to update the newest version eBay. But if you have the newest version of eBay updated and still got some issues, there are more ways to fix it. First way is go to the settings, go up here, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go here, eBay. We got our eBay, and here everything should be on fabric settings, like photos. You can like change the private access, but you don't need camera, Siri, search here, notifications is not need to, background app refresh, and the language, your language. Like if you speak English, you turn on English, this is the best. But if this didn't work, you go here, you take your eBay app, you uninstall eBay, go to the App Store and install again. Just reinstall the app. That should fix all your issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.